Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you show in thumbnail, today's video is completely dedicated to unlock your smartphone, any brand of smartphone. You can unlock any brand of a smartphone by the using this unlocking method like Xiaomi, Redmi, Samsung, Vivo, Oppo. Any type of a smartphone can be unlocked with the help of these type of unlocking method. Okay, and if you're watching this video, then I'm sure my friend your phone has been locked due to pattern lock or password lock. So don't worry at all. What I'm going to give you in this video, your phone is smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. Was my word, mark my word, your phone will be unlocked 100% definitely. Further in this video, I will also give you the reason why sometimes these type of unlocking method don't work on your smartphone. Before revolve this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone's battery should not be charged less than 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. Okay. So before starting this method, you should fully battery charge of your smartphone at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of using this unlocking method. One of the most important thing I would also like to tell you, my friend, that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with the help of this trick, then don't worry at all. By the next video, what I'm going to give you, within 2 or 3 days, you will be unlocked your smartphone. Okay, but for this you will have to subscribe to my channel. Okay, and if your phone is unlocked with the help of today's video, it means it's very good. You will have to like this video, and these type of like give us a lot of encouragement to make the next video for the further help you. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end only, then you will be able to unlock your smartphone by fully learning this method, mentioning it and applying it to your locked smartphone. Okay, now as you know, my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network should be closed. Now you can see here my phone is showing here Wi-Fi network and telecommunication network. So firstly, I will have to switch off my phone's all network, and for this simply I will have to slide my phone downside like this, and I will get a lots of option on this here, lots of keys here. You can see with me, you will also get a lots of keys here, but you don't have to go with any key. You can see here there is an option of a airplane mode or flight mode. So simply you will have to activate this flight mode, and when you will activate this flight mode or airplane mode, it means your phone's all the network will be closed. You can see here. Now after this, your phone is ready to go with the unlocking method or engineer's mode phase. Now after this, your phone is ready to go with the unlocking method. But before going to the unlocking method, one more thing you will have to do with your smartphone. The main thing is that your phone's all the background running applications should be closed. Okay, and generally it is not possible to close all the background running application when your phone is locked. Okay, but there are some secret codes which generated by the every service center, every brand service center, to close the background running application, and these type of secret code update within 2 or 3 days. Okay, so if your phone is unlocked with the help of this secret code, then it's okay. Otherwise, you can also take help of my next video for the next secret code to close the background running application, because unlock your phone by this method, it's most important to close all the background running application. Okay, so now how will you feed this special secret code to close the background running application? Simply you will have to slide your phone upside like this, and you can see here this phone is locked due to pattern lock. Okay, now after this, you will have to go with the emergency SOS or emergency call option, and when you will click on this emergency call option, you will reach to your phone's dialing pad option. You can see here the phone dialing pad has been appeared on my phone display. Now after this, the secret code to close the background running application, what I am going to give you, you will have to feed here star hash 4 times 5, then star 222, then star 639, then hash. This is the recent secret code to close the background running application. After feeding this secret code, you will have to call on the secret code, and when you will call on this secret code, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. So don't worry at all, ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again, you will have to do the process 3 times continuously. After doing this process 3 times continuously, it means your phone's all the background running application are now closed. Now your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking mode or engineer's mode. Okay, and after this, simply you will have to clear your call log like this. After clearing this call log, I am going to give you a special USSD code to reach to the engineer's mode page or master unlocking mode page. Okay, and this USSD code is star hash 899, then hash. Now after feeding this number star hash 899 hash, you will have to reach to the option of a after sales page. Okay, now it may be possible your phone will be showing here engineers mode page, but don't worry at all, both the page have the same function. Okay, but the different name, so don't worry about the name. Now you will also get a lots of option here, you can see with me, but you will have to go with the option of a software version option, and when you will click on this software version option, you will reach to a new page, and that page name is software version page. Now you can see here the first option is showing here phone's model number, that is RMX3471. okay, now the second option you can see here Android version. Okay, now you will have to go with this option, Android version option. Okay, it may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 10, 11 or 12. Okay, and if your phone is showing here Android version 12, it means you will have to click on this option 12 times rapidly, but here my phone is showing here Android version 13. It means I will have to click on this option 13 times continuously. I mean to say rapidly, you will have to click here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. You will have to click like this rapidly. Now after doing this, simply you will have to go with the back button, and when you will go with the back button, you will reach to the previous page, and the page name is after sales page. Now you will also get another option, manual test option above the software version. Now after this, simply you will have to go with this option, and when you will go with this option, you will reach to the engineers mode page. You will also get a 3 type of option on this page, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. Simply you will have to slide your phone down right side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of other, and at the end of the slide the other option has been appeared on my phone display, you can see here. Now you will also get a 5 type of option on this page, you can see here, but you don't have to go any option on this page. You can see here there is an option of a mainboard version, or it's also known as database version. It may be possible your phone will be showing database version, but both the option have the same function but the different name, so don't worry about the name. After this, simply you will have to click on this mainboard version 9 times rapidly, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. It means this process has been done. Now you can see here the second option is showing here read write important lock test option. Okay, now after this you will have to go with this read write important lock test option, and at the first time when you will click on this read write important lock test option, you will ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm here. Simply you will have to cancel here. Again at the second time you will have to do the cancel, and the third time you will have to do the cancel. But at the fourth time when you will click on this read write important lock test option, you will have to confirm here with the OK option. And after give this option OK, it means your phones all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. Okay, now your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. But the very most important thing is that if you have skipped any step, it means your phone is not going to unlock, and you will have to watch this video again. So watch the video properly and follow the every step properly. Now the very last step what I'm going to give you is most important. After this, simply you will have to slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of a device debugging option. Now you can see here, see with me, device debugging option has been appeared on my phone display. Now you can also you will also get a lots of option on this page, device debugging page. Okay, now you can see here there is an option of a sensor self test and calibration option at the 6th number. Okay, now simply you will have to go with this option, and when you will go with this sensor self test and calibration option, a new page will be appear on your phone display. That is page name is sensor self test and calibration option, and you will also get a 3 type of option, or 2 option, or 1 option, and all the options will be showing there operation not started. You can see with me, operation not started. Okay, now you will have to start this operation by clicking on this option. Okay, and you will have to continue click on this option until you get a single test passed message in green color. Now you can also watch with me, test has been started but test failed. The second option, test has been started and test passed message, test has been started and test failed, but a single test passed message has been appeared on my phone display. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my smartphone. Now simply I will have to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So how will I check whether my phone has been unlocked or not? So simply you will have to go with the home button. Okay, now you can see here at the bottom of the phone there is an option of showing here home button. Simply I am going to click here. Now after clicking on this option, you can see here my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the applications which were in my smartphone as it is as in my smartphone. It means this type of method is very useful for every consumer, and you're not going to lose any data of your smartphone. So if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video, and if your phone could not unlock with the help of this video, then don't worry at all. What type of issues you are facing, make me in comment box. Our team will quick response on your issues. Thank you so much.